Hello, everybody. I am so glad to be with you. I am so excited about our new Merry and Bright collection. There is a card kit as well as a tag kit. So if you've missed the card video, make sure you watch it. And this one is the Merry and Bright tag little tutorial. So I just wanted to introduce you to what's in the kit, as well as just give you a few variations, as well as some little tips. So, but first, I just want to remind you, I love creating tags. One, they are so easy and fast. Two, there's not a lot of room, so you don't have to worry about what you're going to write on the card. Three, they are the finishing touch to any present. You know, even if it's a candy bar, you put a cute tag on it, and it is so, so cute. And four, it is like the perfect start for a card. So you can just fold the half sheet of paper in half, put your little tag on top, and it is just so cute. So I'm going to start by showing you what tags are featured in the kit, and we'll talk about some of the little tips, and then I'll show you some variations. So we have this cute little December 25th, and the tags are just so simple, but yet they are so fun. Our little North Pole, I think he is just so cute. I love him. In fact, when I drew the reindeer originally, and I had this little frame tag, I'm like, oh, I wished he would fit in there. And so if you notice on the card cutout, he only has half a body for the big one because I wanted to fit as much as I could on the card cutout. Yeah, I wanted to have such a cute little big face. So, and then we have our Oh Christmas Tree, and you'll probably recognize that as well from the cards. And then we have these cute two little ornaments just dangling. I really like that. We have our three little stacked ornaments, and then our little candy cane candle. So they are just so cute. But before we get started on variations, I just wanted to give you a couple of tips. So on this one here, let's start. Well, actually, we'll start with this tag. So how do you hang it on your present, or how do you attach it to your candy bar? Now, you technically most generally don't even need something to hang if you're just sticking it on a candy bar, but I do think it is a cute finishing touch. So I wanted to show you how I created this one. So I'm just going to take it apart here so you can kind of see. Okay, so I just grabbed a piece of baker's twine, and I cut about 6 inches, and then I tied knots in both ends. I used glue dots and just stuck them to the end, or to the little hook of the ornament where the little hooks go. And then I brought it up and I just twisted the baker's twine, and it made this perfect little loop. It was such a perfect little hanger for a tag. And then I just simply put the holly leaves on top, so you didn't see where I had twisted that. So that is one simple way. And of course, you have the simple way where you could just simply punch a hole in a tag. I could just simply come here, center it, punch a hole. Now this one happens to be heart shape, but if you have let's see, just show you a couple of different options here. So that was a heart shape. Then there's just your regular 1/4 inch. Let's see if I can find it. I thought it was right here. But I also have another one that is like, I think it's 1/8 of an inch. So just a tiny little hole. And I was using it yesterday, but I don't see it back out here, so I apologize. So they're just different little punches you can use, and these are just regular paper punches, not fancy, but they're fun to have on hand. So then another cute thing to do is you can just take a square piece of paper, perfect thing for scraps. I'm going to use a little bit wider one, I think, actually. So this one here is a little over 1/2 inch, and I am just simply snipping off a piece. And then you can simply, I just use double-sided tape, but whatever your favorite adhesive is. And now I am just going to hook this onto my card, and you can have it stick up a little bit. You can go all the way down. I'm just going to have it stick up just a little bit. You want to center it. So then once it's on, now it just adds a cute little, a little more embellishment to your tag. And now you can simply take and punch your hole in it. So you can see then how cute that is. You can just add your little baker's twine, some jute, whatever you have on hand. So that is one way of adding the little tag topper, if you will. Another way that I really like, and these are red striped papers, and I cut them out. I used our red wagon mini stripes, and depending on which direction you cut, it shows which direction the stripes will be. And I wanted something that was where there were more stripes showing on the page, so I just used that one. And let's see, we will, I want to illustrate another situation with that one. I'll just use this one for now. Actually, I'm going to use the green though. So now I position it here, and this time I want it to overlap because I'm actually going to thread my string through that little loop there. Now you can fold it or leave it bent like that. I'm just going to fold it. It's a little bit easier. Once I have it folded, now I know where to trim it. You know, people ask me what are my favorite scissors, and I really only have two pair just for straight cutting. Just my regular office scissors and then a little smaller pair. And to be honest, I use whichever one is closest, but they both work nice. Some people are used to the smaller for doing the fine cutting, but I use these most of the time because I get good big long cuts, and they're always around. So, but any scissor that you're comfortable with is the one you should use. So once I have my little tag, I just do a little bit of double-sided tape or whatever your favorite adhesive is. And I put it on both ends. And if it sticks out a little bit far, just simply fold it back on itself. Trim off the extra. And now I just simply sandwich my tag. So now you just thread your baker's twine through there, and that is a really cute option as well. And then you could even, you know, this is such a fun thing to do with scraps, whatever you might have on hand. And I am just going to show you, I haven't really played with this too much, but I just want you to get the idea. So I think this little Deck the Halls is so cute, but maybe you have some sentiments around that are in little pennants like this that you haven't used. So I am going to just use the end of it, and I'm actually going to put several little paper strips on top. And now I am going to cut. I'm just going to cut a straight line there. And then you can even just now use, give myself a little more room. You can use your stapler. Of course, my stapler didn't work very good that time, so let me just take that out. We'll try it again. Okay, my stapler has got problems, but just push it through. So, and then you can see how cute that is, then just adhered. Now you could adhere it, or you could have actually just cut it or stapled it right onto the tag. But look how cute that little cluster, and then punch your hole. You might not want to put the staple right there though, as I think about punching a hole. So, or you could just tie your little jute on the back and tape it there. So whatever, there are so many cute ways to turn a tag into something extra special. So I'm just going to put these, set these aside right quick, and I'm going to show you my variations. And again, for this video, I am not going to assemble them. I just want to give you the ideas. I know you guys are excellent card makers, so it is so easy and it is so fun. Now, this is actually the one I'm going to start with. Was actually left from the card video, but I forgot to put it in. So I am just using the simple frame. This is the Christmas one. You'll simply just fold it in half. Now this one actually has several purposes. I can't wait to see what you create. But the first thing I used is the little mistletoe. But look, I didn't cut this part out between the green, and you'll see more about that in the card video. And then so just have this here, a little ornament tacked on, and look what a cute place card, gift tag, whatever, you're just a little topper for a present. It is just perfect, but so cute and easy. Can't you see these so cute sitting on your place, either your plates or at your place setting? I just think they are so fun. I love that little place card. Okay, now for the tags, I just want to show you. So, oh, I neglected to show you what comes in the kit. So I'm just going to slide this over. We're going to start with our cute Christmas tags. You can see I've already used a couple of them off of here in our little supplies we've been doing. So our Christmas tags and our red and white tags, these are so fun. Both of these have a collage sort of look that is already done for you. So the layering is done on the bottom. You just get to add your finishing touch. So there's actually 2 sheets of each of those. So I showed you 6 samples. We have 6 variations. So you're going to be able to have lots of fun. So we have our cute little red-nosed reindeer, our blue ornaments, red ornaments, the green ornaments, our little whimsical tree, our candy cane candle, our winter greenery, as well as our sentiments. So many fun things to create with. So I'm just using, this is from our Christmas tags, and it's simply just, look how cute the little candle is on here. I did take a little sprig of the or mistletoe, and I added a little holly to it as well. And you could either have the holly coming out separately. Oh my goodness. Like so. And then I used, this little holly actually has a little red berry, so you're not using an ornament for the berry. And then just position that on. So what I might consider doing is just using a double-sided tape to put the candle on, and then I would use mounting tape from all of my greenery, so it would give that extra depth. Or you could use everything with the mounting tape and really have lots of dimension. So such a cute, simple tag. I just think it's really fun. So we're going to set that one aside. I'm going to bring over my Merry and Bright little Christmas tree. It is so cute. And this time I'm using the red and white tags. And this tree actually was a little bit bigger, but I think it's really fun to have things break the edge. But I did cut off the trunk. It was just a little too long. And then if I add the star, it is just the perfect little, what do you call that? It's just a cute, it breaks the edges. And I just think that is such a fun thing. And then look how cute. You can just tuck in your Merry and Bright, add it to the front. And if you want to be really fancy, you could cut out each of the ornaments included on this card cutout and mount those down. You know, I was just thinking it could be fun even to just do a few of them, or use it as it is and then you're done. So you can see that is just another fun tag variation. We're going to use the Christmas candle again, but this time I am using the oval of the Christmas tags, and then I am also using the tall skinny candle. And then I've got the little holly sprig I'm just tucking in, and then the little holly brand, or the little holly, the smaller holly sprig, and look how cute. Just simple as that can be. And then if you wanted, you could even picture how cute it is to add your little holder for your string for your tag. So another simple but fun card variation, or tag variation, I guess. Okay, on this one we are using the red and white tag, and I've got the blue ornament already cut out. And now I am just adding some greenery to this one, and there are so many ways to add this greenery. The greenery, honestly, is so fun. So you could add it something like this. I could put them more overlapping. I could separate them like this with the cute little berry. So you can see, or you can actually even tuck things behind. Isn't that cute? You can tuck little things behind and then top it off with just that cute little red berry. And then of course add your little red striped string holder, or punch a hole, or even do the little square. So you could add the little sentiment as well, deck the hall. So just so many fun things, and you'll be amazed. What I just started doing is I just started cutting out all my little extra pieces, and then I just could see how they fit on the tags, and they honestly are so dang cute. Now this one, I just love this cute little reindeer. And I cut the tag. These little tags are found on the bottom of the tag. So it's the one I showed you that I had already cut some out. So that's just there. And honestly, oh, let's see if I can show you something. Look how cute just that alone is. So, so fun. So I'm going to put that back on the candle. I'm going to add my little to from. And then you could position your little holly leaves. And then add your little berries. So, I mean, so many different things you can do with this. It is just a lot of fun. And our last little variation, but I do have one more technique to show you. These are the cute little ornaments. I've just got them nestled here. I added the little holly sprig along the top. And then also, it could be really cute if you already have your Christmas things out or see them in the store. Wouldn't this be cute with just the little metal hooks dangling off of these? I just think that could be the perfect finishing touch. It is just so fun. So I just wanted to show you, and I'm looking to see which card will be the best. Maybe oh, I know what I'll do. I will just do it on this, and I'm going to go ahead and just adhere these so we can use them easier. So I'm just going to put my little mistletoe sprig on our little place card. Now, one of the things that I really love about the card cutouts is they are very whimsical in nature, which makes it so easy for you to add your own personalization. And I'm going to show you what I mean about that. So you can see, okay, that is just a cute tag. But now, honestly, you could cut this in half and make it 2 tags, or you can just do your little to from and then add just a little tiny note on the inside. But I wanted to show you, I'm going to use my 03 again of the little micron pens. Now, if you wanted to turn something in a tag that is not already a tag, for example, this frame, people get nervous about writing on things, but if you use a little fine marker. Now, I like these markers, but whatever you have, a little Sharpie will work, or there's many different, even just a pen that's a good, maybe a gel pen or something that is just solid, good ink. All you have to do is write 2, put the 2 little dots like that, and then from, and you can put that wherever you want. Now, because these are just so whimsical in nature, your handwriting doesn't have to be perfect. Look how cute. It feels like they belong. It feels like it was there forever. And then the secret is you come back with either a blue pen, pencil, or a green pen, a red pen, and you write then who it's to and from. That just gives the added little appearance that that was already printed, and then you don't have to worry about your handwriting. It is just cute, little whimsical. I hope you have had fun with our little Merry and Bright collection. I have loved making the tags. I hope you'll enjoy them as well. Can't wait to see what you create. So glad you joined us. Thanks for stopping by.